Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of part. Question is given as a project takes 20 days along the critical path and has a standard deviation of 4 days. It means that the value of sigma is already given as 4. What is the probability of completing the project within 20 days, 24 days and 18 days? Now we have to find the probability of completing the project within 20 days, 24 days and 18 days. Now completion time of the project is given as 20 days. Now we will take one by one each and every case. That is, for first case the schedule completion time will given as 20 days. So Z will be equals to Ts minus Te upon sigma. On putting the value, that is 20 minus 20 upon sigma value, that is 4, it will be equals to 0. Now for Z value equals to 0, probability will be equals to 50%, which we had computed from the table which we had studied earlier. Now for second case, the schedule completion time is given as 24 days. That is, Ts value is given as 24 days. Now we have to compute the value of Z, which will be equals to Ts minus Te upon sigma. It will be equals to 24 minus 20 upon the value of sigma will be equals to 4. On solving this, we will have the value of Z equals to 1. Now for Z equals to 1, the probability will be equals to 84.13%. Now the third case will be when schedule completion time is given as 18 days. Now we have to use the formula, that is Ts minus Te upon sigma. Ts is given as 18, T is already known, that is 20 and sigma is 4. On solving this, we will have the Z value equals to minus 0.5. The Z value comes out to be minus 0.5, and for this Z value the probability will be equals to 30.85, which we had taken from the table of Z value and probability. That is all about this numerical. We had find the probability for 20 days of completion, for 24 days of completion and for 18 days of schedule completion time. Thank you very much, students.